मध्यकालीन हिंदू राज्य विजयनगर साम्राज्य का एक ऐसा प्राचीन और शानदार नगर था जो आज मात्र एक खंडर बनकर रह गया है। पर आज भी यहाँ के खंडरों को देखकर ऐसा लगता है जैसे किसी समय पर हम्पी में कोई बहुत ही भव्य और बहुत ही समृद्धशाली सभ्यता निवास करती होगी। जी हाँ, भारत के कर्नाटक राज्य में स्थित यह नगर यूनेस्को की वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट की लिस्ट में भी शामिल है। कहने को तो हम्पी एक छोटा सा गांव मात्र है, पर इसका विशाल फैलाव गोल और बड़ी बड़ी चट्टानों को अपने अंदर समाये हुए है। और उन चट्टानों और घाटियों के बीच करीब 500 से भी अधिक स्मारक चिन्ह हैं, जिनमें मंदिर, महल, तहखाने, जलाशय, पुराने बाजार, शाही मंडप, चबूतरे, राजकोष और न जाने ऐसी कितनी ही अद्भुत इमारतें हैं। और आपको यह जानकर हैरानी होगी कि स्थानीय लोगों और लोक कथाओं के अनुसार इस क्षेत्र को रामायण में पौराणिक किष्किंधा वानर राज्य कहा जाता था। और शायद यही वजह है कि यहाँ आज भी कई सारे बंदर देखे जाते हैं। हम्पी को मंदिरों का शहर भी कहा जाता है। चलिए जानते हैं हम्पी के कुछ मंदिरों के बारे में। पंद्रहवीं शताब्दी में बना विरूपाक्ष मंदिर हम्पी के सबसे प्राचीन स्मारकों में से एक है। इस मंदिर का शिखर जमीन से 50 मीटर ऊंचा है और इसके अंदर अनेक छोटे छोटे मंदिर हैं जो विरूपाक्ष मंदिर से भी अधिक प्राचीन है। विरूपाक्ष मंदिर तुंगभद्रा नदी के किनारे स्थित है और हम्पी में तीर्थ यात्रा का मुख्य केंद्र है। आसपास के खंडरों में यह मंदिर अब भी बरकरार है और आज भी यहाँ भगवान शिव की पूजा की जाती है। विरूपाक्ष मंदिर से करीब 10 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर है विजय विट्ठल मंदिर। विजय विट्ठल मंदिर भगवान विट्ठल या भगवान विष्णु को समर्पित है। और यकीन मानिए, इस मंदिर की संरचना और नक्काशियां आपको अचंभित कर देंगी। आइए जानते हैं इस मंदिर के बारे में कुछ अनोखे और रोचक तथ्य यहाँ के एक लोकल गाइड मिस्टर हनुमंत के साथ।
This Vijaya Vitala temple, what we are going to visit now, 15th and 16th century.
Okay.
So built by completely the great Vijayanagara emperors who were ruled in Hampi from 1336 to 1565. 230 years this Vijayanagara emperors they ruled in Hampi, and this Hampi was capital city for the great Vijayanagara empire. Today in Hampi, just like you can see 3,000-4,000 people, but 500 years ago they will have 500,000 population. Okay. Just imagine where all these people is to live. And you have seen, I think now when you came by walk, right hand side one water tank was there. Pushkarani. For a very big temple, one Pushkarani will be there. Okay. It's like holy water tank. Okay. At least once in a year, they were carrying procession statues from the main temple to there, keeping those in the middle of that pond. Just imagine pilgrims around the tank, offerings, prayers, chantings. So this was the plan. Always the big temples in front, you can see bazaar, and Pushkarani, it's more common.
Okay.
Later it's fell down.
Okay.
And that side you see one temple you were looking now. It's nothing to see inside. That was one of the Shiva temple.
Okay.
That's popular by locals, old Shiva temple. But Kali Mandap. This company. You can see now the entrance part stone, upper part it's a brick and limestone. So brick by time will get damaged now. For maintenance purpose, archaeological people have repainted. They put some color on the sculptures, on the stucco figures. See the sculptures at the entrance of the temple, no? Both sides. You know, when we go for some temples, we do Sashtanga Namaskar, no? We sleep on the ground. Same concept, like that here. Entire temple complex is Vijaya Vitala temple. There is one more famous Vitala temple in Maharashtra. That one is Panduranga Vitala temple. That's in Maharashtra, Pandharpur. Here he is Vijaya Vitala. And according to Vastu, they built this temple, God facing to the east. Okay, so from that side, if you take, this is the southeast corner where they will have a kitchen room where they were preparing food for working people, for servants, or for pilgrims. So around the temple, that was called Pilgrims Hall. See that hall? That's what you are seeing. Otherwise, in this place, here also they will have. There people are sitting for dhyana, having prasad in the temples. Used to sleep here. I told just before 500,000 people, this temple used to be very crowded. Then northeast corner, this was the Bhajan Mandap, prayer hall. Clear? The third one, Naga Lingam. See head of Naga on top, bottom Shiva Lingam. Number 4, when you see from this side, flying Hanuman. Hanumanji is flying from Kishkinda to Sri Lanka for searching Sita. See one leg down here, second leg in the air, tail and top, body, face, small eyes. Fifth one, the big monkey sitting on top, and it's helping baby monkey to climb up. There?
Can you show the frog?
Yes, madam. This is a frog, which is trying to jump into a water. And this is, I told, mother monkey with a baby monkey. This is a Nagalingam. This is a flying Hanuman. Okay. This is a big monkey helping baby monkey to climb up. Friend, you have a lion head. When you see the same from both sides, looks like jumping horses. One horse jumping from this end. Okay? Another horse jumping from this end. When you combine both the faces of horses, that became a lion head.
Okay.
Second one, Kurma. The third one is there, Varaha, with a Bhudevi. You know? Vishnu took this Varaha Tara to protect Bhudevi from Hiranyaksha. He killed Hiranyaksha. Then the fourth one, Narasimha. Fifth one here, Vamana. sixth one and seventh one are there. Sixth one Parashuram, seventh one Ram. Number 8 here Balaram. Number 9th here Krishna. Number 10th you see Kalki, Godavala. Kalki incarnation yet to come, na? At the end of Kali.
Yes.
All Dashawataras are there on this pillar. Here, Rama, you know, chasing that golden deer. When he stood in one place, that Maricha came out. Okay, Ram, Lakshmana, Sita are there. On top, Lakshmana is cutting Shurpanaka ka nose. Okay, naak cut kar raha hai. Here. When Hanuman went for Sri Lanka, no, for searching Sita, then he's showing his power. He's fighting from his tail, from hand, from leg. Huh? Then that news here by Ravana. Then what Ravana did, he sent one of his younger son Akshaya, go and see what happened. Then he saw the Hanuman, then Hanuman he killed him. After that, his second brother, his first brother, Indrajit, he went. Then Indrajit started to use Brahmastra on Hanuman. Then Hanuman surrendered from Brahmastra and he started to walk with Indrajit to Ravana's palace. Okay, this is like an entry to the palace. So he entered. Then what happened in Ravana's palace? You know, when Ravana was not respected Hanuman, then he get angry and he started to pray Ram Japa. Automatically his tail became thrown and he's sitting little bit higher. That, you know, they decided to put fire for his tail. Then when they put fire, Hanuman burning entire Lanka from his tail. That is there. This Ramayana story carvings are there on this pillar. And यहाँ पे Prahlada story here. See, Prahlada, Hiranyakashipu. Then Prahlada started to pray Vishnu, Narayana. Then Vishnu he took Narsimha avatar. He came out from pillar. There is catching him. On the top, he took Hiranyakashipu in the middle and he is opening his stomach. Pet part.
हम्पी में हर साल लाखों की संख्या में पर्यटक और तीर्थयात्री आते हैं। और साल 2020 में मुझे भी यहाँ जाने का मौका मिला। अगर आप भी दक्षिण भारतीय वास्तुकला शिल्प कला को करीब से देखना चाहते हैं तो हम्पी को अपनी ट्रैवल बकेट लिस्ट का पार्ट ज़रूर बनाइए।